this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use images in Teleport. I prepared here a card. My card has a background shadow, and it has a child container that I named Content, with a heading and a paragraph. Now, what we want to do is add an image on top of that content in order to make our card look nicer. In order to do that, I'm going to select the Assets Manager. I'm going to look for Mountain Images. And before clicking on this icon to add the image in the design canvas, I'm going to select the node in which I want my image to be added. So I selected my card container here. I'm going back into the Assets Manager and I'm clicking on this button. And my image has been added as the last child of the container. You can see it here. The card which I previously selected and the image that has been just added. Now, let's move the image on top of the content. Great. By default, in Teleport, when an image is added into the canvas, it will receive a 200 pixels width, but this is not really fitting our design. So I'm going to set that to 100%. This is great, but we have a proportions issue, and I can manage this by using the ratio property here, and I'm going to set it to 16/9. Or if I would like a square, it can be 1/1 or 4/3. You can choose the proportions that best fit your design. Let's stay with 16/9. And what is nice with this option is that for every screen, the image keeps now the same proportions. So this is really a nice feature. Finally, I'm going to just set the alt value for my image so that the search engines would know what the image is about.